All right, I wanted to take a couple of minutes just to walk you through some of the things that you see on Canvas so you know what's going on. So here's a Canvas page. We have schedule. Here I have the textbook listed, the hyperlink for the textbook. That will take you to the OpenStax College Physics page here. So here's the book. Tells you some stuff about it. There are some other resources. You can click here and make your way to Expertise, Sapling Learning. You don't want any of those things, but you might want the Student Solutions Manual. You can get the Student Solution Manual and download it as a PDF, and you'll have that there as a resource for yourself. I don't need to download it again. Maybe I can just X out of it. But for the actual textbook, here, get this book. So you click on get this book. You can download the book for your iPad. Last I saw it was $2.99. Maybe it's more than that, but it's an interactive ebook for your iPad. You can get the book in print. They're in stock in the bookstore. You can download a PDF. I've done that. Web view, you can view the book without downloading it. Just look at it on the web. And then I guess there's a couple of other versions of it here. So the web view, it'll say support OpenStax College. It's really a great organization that is providing free textbooks, so maybe you want to donate some money. And the donate now is big, but or continue without donating is there too, and you don't have to donate to enjoy the textbook. When you go here, you're now viewing the textbook as web pages, so it's not being downloaded onto the computer you're using, so you can do this in the library or the computer lab, or if you have break time at work or something. So you go to contents, and I'm really interested in chapter 4, and so I'll click on, I don't know, Newton's first law of motion, inertia, and then I can read that section of the textbook as it talks about Newton's first law and what goes on there, and I can have a good introduction and understanding as I flip through the book and look at the different concepts in here. I also have downloaded the book as, it's here somewhere, as a PDF on my computer, so I can forward to the table of contents, and maybe now I'm interested in kinetic energy and the work energy theorem, and I can skip right to that section of the book and I can read up all about that and see what things I'm going to be using, and I can walk through some examples. If I'm lucky, there will be a hyperlink to something else in here, but I'm not going to find it right now. But there's all sorts of things you can do with the textbook, and it's free, so that can't be all bad. So back to the Canvas page. Hopefully you're in a good place with the homework. So the homework, the problems are from the back of the textbook, and here are questions that are printed in the back of the textbook. You can read these questions if you're having problems with them. Man, I don't quite know how to figure this out. You click on the video, and here I will appear and I will walk you through the solution for this problem using the numbers that are in the back of the book. And apparently I have chalk all over myself. What a slob. Alright, so there I am doing that. When you want to do the homework, you go to quizzes, and here are all the homework problems on the quizzes page. Now when you go to do these problems, you will discover that the numbers keep changing. Maybe I won't do this one, sorry, because I can do a different problem. So go back to quizzes, and I'll pick one of the problems that are just a standalone problem. So chapter 4, problem and exercises number 23. So I'm going to be using this concept, I guess. I'm going to take the quiz. Here we go. It's worth 5 points, unlimited attempts. This rocket goes straight up. Here's a mass of the rocket. Here's the thrust from the engine and the air resistance. What is the rocket's acceleration? I think it's 42. Submit quiz. Oh, I was wrong. It wasn't 42. Take this quiz again. Now when I do it, the numbers have changed. So there's no reason to memorize what the right answer is or keep guessing. I have to figure this out algebraically. And if I can't figure it out, then I should go back and watch the video and watch myself go through and figure it out, because that'll be really good for me. So that's how you navigate the important things on Canvas to do your homework, to get the textbook, and to see what's going on. The PowerPoints are here. You can click on the PowerPoint and upload the PowerPoint to your computer, and then you can also watch videos of me going through some of the concepts from the PowerPoint to further your discussion and understanding of the material. Have fun!